add an image to your post, and also how to add a gallery of images, and most importantly, how to make sure that you use some alternative text. So let's say that we're working on this blog post activity, and I want to add an image. I'm going to go over here to add an image, click image. And by the way, the reason that I got that is this says most used. If you haven't used it before, you may need to go down here to common blocks. Okay, so the most used in common blocks. So I've already uploaded some images to the media library. They were right over here, and I dragged them in. And so I want to add this image, but the thing that I want to do is I want to add some alternative text because if someone is visually impaired and they're using a screen reader, this will actually, even though the image doesn't show, a description will show. So I'm going to add some alternative text there, and I'm going to select this, and I've now added an image. Okay, and you'll notice the alternative text is right in here. You'll see I could play around with the size of it or something like that if I wanted to. The other thing I have an option to do is to add a series of images as a gallery. So I'd like to show you how to do that. So in this particular case, I'm going to undo what I did here, and I'm going to go to add a gallery. Okay, and I'm going to add it from my media library. And in this particular case, as I said, I've already uploaded these 4 images here. And notice this says create gallery. So I'm going to select all 4 images. Notice as I select each one or deselect it, I can add alternative text. So I'm going to do all 4 of them, and then I'm going to create a new gallery. I can add captions in here if I want to. At this point, I can drag and drop them to reorder them. And now I'm going to insert these as a gallery, and you'll see that it's kind of defaulted to this model, which I may or may not like. I could also, if I wanted to, click here on any of these, and I could change it to maybe a slideshow, in which case it would appear this way. And I think that probably looks a little bit better. Notice that the aspect ratio, this is a landscape and this is a portrait, so this kind of works best when you have similar aspect ratios. And so forth. I could also, if I wanted to, I could change this just into straight images and say, you know what, I just want these as a series of images. And so you'll see that that's all done that way. So lots of options to display images. Again, the critical thing here is we want to always be sure to add alternative text so that screen readers can see what you're doing. Okay, thanks. Bye.